What up? It's the next day. Pieces came out okay. They're a little dusty from sitting in here. But yeah, I still had an issue with the vortex gen. A few little bad spots. So I'm just gonna get some rattle can lacquer and finish it because I don't have time to set the booth back up. It was a good experiment and a good learning process for me. I learned that whenever you want to get something painted, get a paint booth. That's basically what it boils down to. Get a paint booth and make sure that you have enough time to get everything done. But yeah, anyway, moving on. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the paint. I went ahead and wet sanded this again and then just hit it with some primer. Got rid of all those uneven surfaces. Fixed a little bit of damage that was on the back of the gurney flap and redid the well, I guess I'll show you. Redid the canard. So I don't know if you guys remember from the last episode, it was all messed up. Had a lot of wrinkling in the paint. So I got that wet sanded, smoothed, and re-primered. So these three pieces I'm gonna have to redo, and these pieces are good to go. So, you know, it is what it is. Learning experience with painting. Whenever I put them on the car, I'll take a video and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so if any of you are wondering what's going on with the Prelude, I have it right now. Gonna be putting it on pause for a little while. I have to go drop it off over at Troy's house. I can't keep it over here any longer, but yeah. We'll be trying to do some stuff with this thing soon. I promise.
Might come back out here. Well, you gotta work it.
Yeah. So what are we doing?
Going to drop off parts to Harris. Got oil squirters, main caps for my crankshaft, all new bolt set.
Stainless steel.
All stainless steel bolt set. Sorry, I got distracted. Everything to pretty much put the engine back together. Got my oil squirters, so my crank doesn't dry out.
Sweet, sweet. Yeah, so we're gonna head over to Harris right now.
Hey, YouTube.
So over here at Harris Automotive, where the engine's getting built.
New block.
They usually put trains in the cam kits, but because they've got really, really heavy springs that'll break the rocker off. Get you,
So that's a stock block?
This is a 5.3 brand new from Summit.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if Summit made this from Summit.
Right, well,
What they did,
Oh, there's
but
five
it's a
speeds in there?
5.3, so I don't know. But it's like a racing block.
You heard?
oh yeah, I
He
see
needs
it.
to,
Yep.
he needs to convince you to LS swap like me out.
Yeah.
Just like wheels, yeah, dude. Well, I'm almost certain the dude was scared of this car.
Yeah.
85.5 bore. It was.
Max rode in.
And then like I've been watching
nice when it's
that
done.
video over and over again. And that's the vibrations, dude.
Alright, so I managed to get it installed. Came out pretty good. Still got to put on the diffuser and the rear spats, but I'll probably do that either today or tomorrow. That's going to be it for the video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, show you what it looked like after I put it on the car and everything. Not bad for a little custom piece, I think. Came out pretty good. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and enjoy these couple of clips of me racing my buddy in his 370z VHR. See you on the next one.